Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what are the messages for you for this month. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So, and yes, if you want a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's in store for Sagittarians. What can be expected in the for Sagittarians? Please give me the messages for Sagittarians. So we have the Empress, the Two of Wands, King of Swords, the World, Ten of Cups, the Four of Wands, Five of Swords, Ace of Wands, Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, so Sagittarians, with the Empress, it's a very beautiful energy. You really want a new beginning. Okay, you are ready for a new beginning. You are manifesting this new beginning in a beautiful way. Perhaps with the Two of Wands being there, you are waiting for the right opportunity here. There is a pause over here. It is a wait. Maybe you are waiting for the right person. You really want this new beginning, but perhaps whosoever you want to have this new beginning is not with you, I should say. So there is a moment of pause. You're just waiting for the other person. Maybe you are not at talking terms. There is a detachment over here. Okay, so there is a detachment over here. Perhaps you people are not talking to each other, but I see somebody here waiting for their person to come in, okay, or to show up. So there is certain detachment. Something has happened over here in a beautiful relationship, and you want a new beginning in this relationship actually. Okay, so there is a disconnect over here. That's what I feel. There is a disconnect in this relationship. You want a new beginning definitely, but the thing is, things are just not happening for some reason. You people, what I feel is, maybe you are actually even physically away from each other, but then at least you people are not talking to each other as much as you used to, something like that. So there is some sort of a disconnect over here. Okay, but you really want a new beginning with this person and with the world. Definitely, what I feel here is that you will be able to get into that space. With the world, the Ten of Cups and the Four of Wands, definitely this is a relationship which is committed. Okay, so maybe for some reason you people are not talking, or for maybe because of some circumstances it is like that. But whatever it is coming to an end. This situation is coming to an end. You want a new beginning, and you are manifesting it. You will be getting this new beginning soon. And one more thing is, this chapter is actually at the tapering end of this thing. This situation is at the tapering end of this disconnect actually. And with the Ten of Cups and the Four of Wands, you are definitely being in a very happy space. You're able to connect with this person. There's a very beautiful energy over here. There is a lot of commitment, stability, happiness. Everything is very beautiful. It is a solid foundation in which you are actually stepping up after this thing is coming to an end, or definitely. Okay, but with the Five of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, here again what I feel is, there is definitely, again with the Five of Swords, there's something is happening here. Okay, you want to restore balance, but what I feel here is that again perhaps it is a similar energy with the Five of Swords. That sort of an anxiety, that it's like something is definitely causing a lot of anxiety. Maybe there is a heated communication or something like that, which is creating the problem over here. That's what I feel in this relationship. There is something during the communication perhaps, which causes the anxiety, which causes the trouble in this relationship. But again, you want to, See, what I feel here is with the Five of Swords, definitely there is some sort of a problem which is coming up. But you want a new beginning. Maybe you decide to start afresh. That's what I feel with the Ace of Swords. Maybe you are ready to give it up, perhaps, because it is happening again and again, type of a thing. You feel that the other person is taking advantage of you. It can be that also. You feel that the other person is taking advantage of you. They are trying to have their own way. They are trying to act over smart. Okay, that is what I feel with the Five of Swords. So maybe even after you are able to sort it out once, what I feel here is that again, and you may have this phase of happiness, but again there is something which is happening over here, which is causing the conflict. And then once this happens, perhaps you realize that there is no point. I really want to have a new beginning in my life, and you slowly and steadily, this is what you are doing. You're focusing on yourself. You're trying to restore balance in your life. That's what I feel with the Ace of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Nine of Wands. It is something you are trying to focus on yourself. The entire energy is, I think after this, with this Five of Swords, when you realize that once you did try to have a new beginning again, you did try to put things together again, but the thing is, things are just not happening, because again, perhaps the other person is they try to take advantage of the situation. Maybe they're trying to take advantage of your goodness, but then what you realize is that there is no point. I want a new beginning in my life. I want to restart my life. And you just, this is all about focusing on your own. You're just trying to focus on your own healing yourself. And definitely you want time alone. You really want time alone here. You want things to be okay in your life. You keep on, you don't want to keep on running to this person again and again. You want things to be okay in your life. That's what I feel. And you have the determination now. You just realize that no, I will not quit. I will have another chance. I will move forward once again. And you are not ready to give up now. Okay, maybe you are not ready to wait for this so called again. You don't want to run back to this person again and again. Okay, you are determined over here. You are not ready to give up. You are determined that no, this time I will not run back to this person. They keep on taking advantage again and again, and I would have a new beginning in my life, and I can do that, type of a thing. So let's see, why is this, what is the message from this deck? With the Jack of Diamonds here, definitely you are focused on what you want. That is the determination. You've decided that no, I will not keep on running back to this person. It is a temporary phase, that everything remains happy, and then again something happens that this person doesn't improve, and every time they are behaving the same way, sort of a thing. Guidance of angel. From the angels, number 15 may be of some significance for you. Choose freedom. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that is just an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. And that is what you are doing, Sagittarians, because perhaps every time you have a new beginning with this person, and every time they try start taking advantage of you, so you just want to put that to an end, and you then you realize that there is no point, and you just want to focus on yourself. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.